Good morning. I just wanted to come back on and give you all another update. I missed in the last one. My family and I, due to uh, some health concerns, got our first um, vaccine shot for COVID, for the thing going on. Um, it was the Moderna, and so far as um, I can tell, the only thing that we got out of it was a sore arm a few hours after. This morning I'm kind of feeling a little tired and sluggish. I don't know whether that's from the vaccine or just uh, the bad weekend that I struggled with. Um, so far, we're doing good with it, other than the sore arm. It seems like so. That's that's an update on that. Our next um, dose is going to be on May 23rd. So uh, that will be kept updated as well. Um, until next time, I'll see you then. Bye.